Welcome everybody. I'm very happy to be here in Pakistan, in Karachi. It's my first time to this country, and I just came yesterday and I visited Karachi and restaurant in the evening, so I love it. And the subject of the conference seems very important because the relations of Poland and Pakistan are not a topic that are very well discussed in Poland. So you came here to learn a lot, to discuss future possible cooperation. And also very happy that I can see so many young people at the audience, which is not usual. So it's also good that young generation will learn about our countries, and maybe they will come up with the ideas for the future cooperation, because future is yours. I don't have much to add because so much was already said by our colleagues. So thank you for invitation, for organization of the conference, and I wish you fruitful deliberations. Thank you.